Kenny from Pro Tool Reviews here. I hope you guys had a great holiday season. We are back and we have Milwaukee's new hole saw design. You might have noticed this. It's a rolling change that's coming to their Hole Dozers. Now, this was their original, and this is what's new. So we've got a series of circles and half circles now. There's supposed to be several improvements that go along with this, everything from helping us get the plug out more quickly to better visibility and better chip ejection. So let's take a quick look at the visibility side. With this, when you're trying to be accurate, you notice that my pilot bit here is just a little bit larger than the hole saw itself. So I don't have a ton of good view. I kind of got to work it around and get right inside that window. Now this pilot bit is a little bit longer, but same kind of concept. Just as I turn it, there's a lot more space where that pilot bit is visible through the hole. So if you're trying to get a really accurate start, definitely visibility is a big improvement there. So now, as far as the other stuff goes, we've got some scrap wood here to run a quick experiment on. And let's see. Let's start with the original. Kind of take a look at the ejection, the chip ejection as it's going. Now this is wood, so it's coming out as a sawdust that's pretty fine, but we can see if it has any better. And then, of course, we'll definitely check on the plug ejection. So this is the Milwaukee Gen 3 M18 fuel hammer drill that I'm using, and we're working in high speed. So. Now, obviously, it's really warm, and you guys can't smell all that, but that's a very interesting smell I got going on there. So, normal hole saw ejection, right? So you work it through that, and of course your chuck is locked here, so you're either taking it out completely or turning the drill, and we get it there. It's not bad, definitely not bad at all. Good original design there, and then move on to the next hole. But let's take a look and see if the new one is any easier. Make sure that chuck gets locked down tight. All right. Okay, well that was definitely a faster drilling experience. And that might have something to do with the chip ejection. Now here, I definitely have more holes to work with. I'm working around side to side, but instead of having to go all the way kind of 180 degrees around it, I'm really not having to travel as far, so I don't really have to turn the drill or the bit to be working that out pretty effectively. Yeah, I can still get a good tug from both sides and pull the whole thing out apparently. We'll chalk that up to user error on my part. So yeah, definitely looks like the plug ejection here is a little easier. Now, as far as drilling faster, this hole saw had been used a little bit, but it could be a benefit of better chip ejection, just being able to clear the dust from around those teeth easier than it did when we had this hole design. So we'll do some more experimenting with that and see if that continues to hold true. Like I said, this is a rolling change, so your model numbers are going to stay the same. All your favorite Milwaukee hole saws are still going to be the same size, same model number, same pricing, just the new hole slot design. So what do you think? Have you used them? Let us know about it in the comments below. I'm Kenny. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to have really random pauses in the way I talk.
Hey, help us out by subscribing to the channel below and tap that bell to get notified when we post new tool reviews and shootouts. And as always, thanks for watching.